after logging in, the user can see a simple homepage. It is divided into two sections, one for the chapters and the other for interactive components. Our website is responsive, so it works well no matter the screen size. For example, when we reduce the browser window size, we can see that the elements on the web page adjust with the browser's dimensions and still display correctly. Now we can return to normal size. And then the user clicks on chapter 4. Here, not all chapters have many sections yet, but we keep the section part so that the author can add future content. Clicking on chapter 4 takes the user to the first page of the chapter. We show the content in columns, just like a printed textbook, which makes it familiar for the users. Clicking next, the user sees an image gallery. They can view different angles of this orthodontics case by switching images. The next page offers even more image for a fuller understanding. On the next page, we have links to external learning resources. Users can click the link to explore more resources. On the right, we have an interactive H5P quiz, which we will explain in detail later. The next page is also an H5P quiz. The user keeps reading and finally reaches page 34, where we have an embedded lecture video. Here we have embedded a smooth and clear long lecture video to enhance the learning experience. In the second scenario, we simulate a student who wants to test their knowledge. The user scrolls to interactive components. This section has interactive videos and H5P quizzes. Our team Bluering is responsible for the H5P quizzes. The user clicks on H5P2. Each H5P quiz works differently. In the first two quizzes, the user clicks on different T's based on the question. A correct click shows a check mark, while a wrong click shows an X. Once they have clicked all the correct spots, the quiz is done. If they have questions, they can click I am confused to submit feedback to the author. In the third quiz, users can drag the line to compare before and after treatment results. Let's go to homepage. In our third scenario, we simulate someone who wants to use the textbook for commercial purposes. At the bottom of the homepage, there's a privacy and copyright page. It explains that users need permission from the author to use the content, or they could face legal consequences. In the sidebar, users can find contact details for the development team and the author. If they try to copy the website's content, it will not work because the whole site is protected from copyright infringement.